guys, we went to a pumpkin patch, Gillis Family. And my mom said to look for pumpkins so we could take pictures with it. And then I picked one, and then I was going with my mom to take a picture. And then we went to a park that was corn that my mom buried me at. And my mom was there having fun, and we had to eat. And we had took pictures, and I went to the corn, and my mom went there with me. And I went to the mega slide. And we took pictures, and then we was jumping together. Hi guys, let's see if this can fall all the way if there's a lot of ducks. No, Mama, you go there, and then you can use my ducks. I'll let you use my ducks. I'll just take all my ducks down.
By this road.
Carrots.
No.
Huh? Oh, dang.
What is that? It's a turnip. It's a different type turnip. That's
A big
purple
turnip.
top.
Big
Name of this was just right turnip.
Right
Its
turnip.
claim to fame is growing really big, really fast.